Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Trezor security settings and passphrase, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by connecting your Trezor device to your computer. Open the Trezor wallet application in your web browser. Ensure you are using the most recent version of the wallet for optimal security. When prompted, enter your PIN to unlock your device. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings tab located in the menu. In the Settings, look for the Security section. Here, you will see options to enhance the security of your Trezor. To enable the passphrase feature, find and select the option labeled Enable Passphrase. Read the information provided carefully, as using a passphrase adds an additional layer of security. Confirm your choice to proceed with enabling the passphrase. Now, you will need to set a unique and strong passphrase. Choose something that is memorable yet complex enough to protect your assets. Input the desired passphrase in the designated field. After entering your passphrase, confirm it by typing it again. Make sure to store your passphrase securely, as losing it can result in permanent loss of access to your funds. Once you've confirmed the passphrase, navigate back to the security settings. Check that the passphrase feature is now activated. Review other security options in the settings for additional protection. Consider enabling features like two-factor authentication if available. After adjusting all desired settings, remember to save any changes. Your Trezor is now equipped with enhanced security through the passphrase feature. Disconnect your device only after confirming that everything is set up correctly. Regularly revisit these settings to ensure your security measures remain effective. That concludes the process for enabling Trezor security settings and the passphrase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.